Just create an object to save a file. I'm taking a creating on shaft. And 18 and 16.5 and 18. Or I will take this option as 6.5, not that's 16.5, 6.5. Return this length, and we'll take a center line of some height 7.5 and taking offset of 5 each side, and adding offset of 0.5 mm to inside, and adding lines 0.5 offset and offset of some distance. I'm taking distance of 46 and adding a distance of 0.5. I'm just creating a shaft here. And we'll trim now all the things. Erase the rest of the lines. Like this, we have created a shaft. Now we want to convert this shaft as a block. We'll take option again, insert, and we can take option from here, right block, or we can type W as a shortcut. I'm taking a shortcut W, enter. Now here you can select a block file also, or you can take any object or any entire one. I'm taking an object because we have a new object. Please select this pick point from where you want to pick. I want to pick from here. Now select the object, enter. Again we having the same option, retain, convert to block, and delete from top. We can take any one option. I'm taking it as a retain. And now we have to specify a destination location where we want to save this file. We can save as required. I'm saving here, giving a name as a new block and save. Okay. The block file has been saved. Now you can insert this block file to any file. But we cannot insert another block, the last block, into any file. Let's see. I'm inserting a block, I enter, or you can take insert from here. You can insert previous blocks from here into a file like this. But for inserting this W block, you have to browse the location of that block where you have saved. Select that block, new block, and open. So we'll get a block. Now I'm taking a new file and open. Now I want to insert that block into this new file, drawing number 8. Just you go to insert option and you will not find any block here. You have to browse this W block and select that block that you want to insert and open. And this is how you can insert this block into any file and n number of times. So this is called W block we have seen.